You're going to learn the 5 letters la, li, lu, le, lo. The consonant of the letters is R. However, we don't sound like English. We don't have pronunciation R or L. So let's say it's like in the middle of R and L. Your tongue slightly touches the back of your front teeth when you pronounce. So the sound is gonna be la, li, lu, le, lo. Some people want to pronounce like ra, ri, ru, re, ro. That's wrong. So you need to pronounce la, li, lu, le, lo. Now let's practice. So the first letter is la. 1, 2. La. La. The next is li. 1 and 2. Li. Li. So you might see the letters like this. This is also same sound, same letter. Li. The next one is lu. 1, here. Lu. Lu. Next one is le. 1 and 2. Le. Le. The last one is lo. 1. Lo. Lo. That's all for the 5 letters. I just want to let you know one thing that the most of Japanese learners get confused with. Lu and lo. These are a bit similar. So now you see the difference. Lu on the left and lo on the right. Now let's review. What is this? Lo. What is this? La. What is this? Le. What is this? Li. What is this? Lu. Well done! You've learned the 5 letters la, li, lu, le, lo in this lesson. Next will be wa, o, n. So the next will be the last hiragana. See you in the next lesson.